What?
I'm just playing it wet. But not my baby. It's a little cute baby.
Let me see. Ooh.
I don't know what's wrong with him, but never mind. Too small, too fat.
You're funny, Monty. Melfi.
Too fat, too chubby. I can do this, I think.